Get ready for a recipe that will impress you so much that even your frying pan will want to congratulate you. Are you curious? Then come with me. Cut a tomato into neat slices. In a frying pan of your choice, add olive oil to taste. This will give it that special flavor and prepare the ground for our next step. And now, 3 cloves of garlic. Let's fry them until golden, releasing that delicious aroma that everyone loves. Then add the tomato slices to the pan. And don't forget to adjust the salt. The smell is starting to get irresistible, huh? As soon as the tomatoes start to fry, carefully turn them over. We want them to be golden brown on both sides, with that perfect texture. Meanwhile, in a bowl, let's prepare our special sauce. Break in 3 eggs and beat until smooth. Add salt, black pepper and spring onions to taste. 130 g of tuna. Mix well until all the ingredients are well incorporated. Look how pretty it's turning out. Time to get back in the pan. Gently pour the tuna sauce over the tomato slices. Arrange well so that each piece has its own special place. Cover the pan and cook on a low heat for 5 minutes. For the final touch, add 100 grams of mozzarella cheese. Cook for another minute, just until the cheese has melted and you get that delicious pull. Finish with a little more chives to taste. That's it. Can you smell it? Your mouth is watering, right? See how easy it is to turn the simple into the extraordinary. For more amazing recipes like this, follow us and like our videos. Until next time, and bon appetit!